Good morning, all of you. Class 4th, subject Math. Page number 18. Exercise 2.5. We completed exercise 2.4. Last question is write the short form of each of the following numbers. Now new topic is comparison of number. Comparison of number. There we will be teach comparison of numbers and put the suitable symbols between two numbers. Okay, so let's start exercise 2.5. Question number 1. Compare the given numbers and put the symbols. Compares the given numbers and put the symbol. क्वेश्चन का मीन है कि आपको दो नंबर्स को कंपेयर करते हुए सिंबल्स पुट करने हैं कि विच नंबर इज़ ग्रेटर, विच नंबर इज़ लेस देन एंड विच नंबर इज़ इक्वल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कंपेयर टू numbers. A. The number is 92,009 and the second number is 92,090. 92, 92, the same digit, but 9 and 90 different digit. There is 90 greater than 9, so the number is 92,090 is greater than 92,009. So symbol is this. Their symbol face is open, which greater number, and the symbol face is closed is smallest number. Their symbol face is open, which number is greater, and where the symbol face is closed, the number is small. So 92,090 is greater than 92,009. Next, 1,09,050 and the second number is 1,10,005. First number is 1,09,050 and the second number is 1,10,005. So 10 and 11. We know that 11 is greater than 10. So number 1,10,005 is greater than 1,09,050. The symbol is this. 1,10,005 is greater than 1,09,050. Next question, C. First number is 1,22,101. Second number is 1,21,001. 1,20,101. Second number is 1,21,001. 1 and 1 are same, but 20 and 21, there are different number. These are different number. So 21 is greater than 20. So the number is 1,21,001 is greater than 1,20,101. Symbol is this. Okay. 1,20,101 is less than 1,21,001. The symbol is this. Next, D. 16,35,037. The second number is 16,35,073. There is 16 and 35 up to 0. 16, 35 up to 0 are same, but 37 and 73 are not same number. We know that 73 is greater than 37. 73 is greater than 37. So 16,35,073 is greater than 16,35,037. So symbol is this. 16,35,073 is greater than 16,35,037. Next, E. 9,76,549. 9,76,549. These numbers are equal because digits are same. 9, 9, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 9 and 9. So number are equal, so sign equal. Both numbers are equal, so put the sign equal. Next, F. 1,95,492. 1,96,432. There are 1 and 1 same, but 95 and 96 is different. We know that 96 is greater than 95. We know that 96 is greater than 95. So the number 1,96,432 overall greater than 1,95,492. Symbol is this. 1,96,432 is greater than 1,95,492. So student, question number first is complete. This question fill in the book, not your fair notebook. Next question, question number 2 and 3. These questions are same. These questions are same, arranged in ascending order, and next arranged in descending order. Both words are opposite to each other. Both words are opposite to each other. So first of all, we will teach the definition of ascending order and the descending order. Ascending order means smallest to greater number. Smallest to greater number. And the descending order means greater number to smallest number. Ascending order means smallest to greater numbers, and descending order means greater numbers to smaller number. Okay, we will solve question number 2 and 3 tomorrow. Okay, thank you.